Hello.
Hi, I'm Sandy Lewis, and we just completed a construction project with Horizon Construction. This is our project manager, David, who helped us through the whole process from picking out everything to getting all the construction completed. We started out with an indoor barbecue that took up almost half of the space over here. It was totally gutted, the wall came down and rebuilt. There was a fireplace on the other side that is now gone. And we have a full pantry over along the wall. This is lots of counter space now that we never had before.
Let me show you a little bit.
Okay.
Here is the areas Sandy was mentioning. Look at this beautiful backsplash. There's all these colors in it, and this gorgeous countertops. This is actually quartz. It looks like marble a little bit. Yes, Taj Mahal. And here is the TV. It was very important. And the other part, let me show here, the other part of the kitchen with the sink and the window. Look how beautiful it is.
Lighting, which we didn't really have a lot in here before.
Yes, recessed lights. Tile floor. Sandy, tell us a little bit about the other floors that we see here.
We did tile in the kitchen, and then we went to a vinyl in the dining room and the living room, and we chose a multicolor so it would just blend with everything.
It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. It's all around the house. So let me show you the kitchen just from here. One glance, all of it together. Look how pretty it is. And let's move on, and we will show you the fireplace. Look at that. Sandy, you need to turn it on for us, please. Wow.
This is our fireplace, which we did a mounted TV above, and then we added a mantle, which our other fireplace never had a mantle. It was total brick. And then we did the electrical insert fireplace, and it throws off so much heat in here. It's just amazing.
Enjoy it, enjoy. It's beautiful. It looks so good.
Thank you.
Perfect.
It looks amazing, and it's really been a pleasure working for Sandy and Rick. You've been attached a bit more.
It was a long project with some city issues and that, but we worked through them, and David persevered and kept at them, and so everything worked out just beautifully, and we're very, very pleased. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.